I'm going to show you how we open up our Nestera coops and add more pine shavings from the top. We do deep bedding, so as it gets kind of poopy and smelly, we just add more shavings on top. So I'm going to show you how to do that. And that's all this video is about. All right, that was it. Thanks for watching our video on adding pine shavings through the top of the Nestera coops. If you liked this video, hit like and please subscribe for more. We have everything from livestock guardian dogs to chickens to goats, and we're adding more as we are a smaller channel. So any likes or subscribes we appreciate, and we're excited to have you grow along with us.